Do you have a GRAF system undergoing maintenance? Then the following video will help you to carry out a service correctly. We also recommend our maintenance manual, which also contains tips on the equipment. Firstly, get an overview of the system. Open the individual covers and assess the condition and interior. This includes accessibility, water levels, aeration, as well as the completeness and correct arrangement of the installation parts. After that, inspect the associated control cabinet. Start taking samples of the clear water or the effluent. Use the sampler for this purpose. Carefully take a water sample from the sampling point. For a better assessment, pour the sample into a beaker and assess it for external characteristics such as odor, color, and turbidity. Fill the clear water into sealable sample bottles for further laboratory tests such as BOD, COD, total nitrogen. To check the functionality of the system, take an activated sludge sample from the aerated bioreactor and fill it into measuring cylinders. For one to clean, we recommend carrying out 2 measurements, both an undiluted and a 2+1 diluted measurement. Note that the result from the diluted sample must be multiplied by 3. Do not place the samples in the sun during measurement. The measurement consists of a 30-minute settling process. The oxygen input is very important for SBR systems. Measure this in the effluent sample. Depending on the result, the duration and intensity of the aeration should be adjusted. For biological wastewater treatment, the pH value should be in the range 6 to 8. Measure this with the strips. We also recommend determining the settlable substances in the MHA funnel. Determine the height of the primary sludge in the primary treatment chamber with the sludge pipette in order to initiate emptying if necessary. Desludging is recommended at the latest when the sludge storage tank reaches 50% capacity for the advanced system and 70% for the 1-2 clean system. Transfer the data from the control unit to your maintenance log. Alternatively, load the data onto a USB stick and use our web monitor for simple data management. You can use the operating data to make any necessary adjustments to the control settings. For the service of our cabinets, especially the compressors, we recommend our maintenance manual.